Getting the VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing? Here's a one-click fix. Takes 30 seconds. First, grab the script. Link is in the description. It takes you straight to GitHub. Once you're there, just click the green Code button. Then click Download Zip. That's it, 2 clicks. Extract the zip, and you'll see the fix script inside. Now just double-click the script to run it. A pop-up will appear asking you to allow it to run as administrator. Just click OK, then click Yes on the Windows prompt. It automatically detects your system, downloads the official Visual C++ runtime straight from Microsoft, installs both the x86 and x64 versions silently, then confirms the DLL is in place. Done. The whole thing runs in under 30 seconds. No sketchy websites, no manual downloading. Just paste the link from the description, 2 clicks on GitHub, double-click the script, and you're fixed. If this saved you some headache, smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows fixes. See you in the next one.